Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix mic and headset not working on Xbox Series. From the controller, press the X button. Now go to audio icon. Check here your audio is plugged in or not. Now turn on the headset mic toggle. Now turn up headset volume. Now set the headset chat mixer to middle. Now select mic monitoring to the start. Now go to back. Then click on the settings from top right. Then click on volume and audio output. Select headset audio as Windows Sonic for headphones or stereo uncompressed. Now go to online safety and family. Now go to privacy and online safety. Now click on Xbox privacy. Select as custom, then click on view details and customize. Then go to communication and multiplayer. Go to others can communicate with drop down. Then select it as friends or everybody. Now go back to the settings. Then click on devices and connections. Then select controllers and headsets. Now click on bottom three dots. Now click on update. Then click on update now. Then click on next. Now go to home. Now open any game that go to settings of the game. Then go to voice options. Then go to voice chat. Set it as mute. Then go to voice and set the bar to the middle. By following these steps, you can fix mic and headset not working on Xbox Series.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.